everyone, welcome back to Mold Mayhem. Have you ever wondered what kind of steps it takes to make a legendary Wolverine figure like this one? Today I'm taking you through that entire journey, from a pile of raw resin to a finished statue right here in my hands. First up is post-processing. After many hours of waiting, the 3D print is a real mess, covered in a ton of supports. My first job is to very gently remove them, sand the surface smooth, and then glue all the parts together. This is the part where I get pretty excited because it's the first time I get to see the complete figure of Wolverine. Next, even though it has its shape, it still looks pretty patchy with some glue marks and sanding spots. To get it ready for painting, I need to give it a perfect new coat. This gray primer will cover up all those small imperfections and make the whole statue look like a single, solid piece. Now for the most decisive stage, detailing and effects. By applying shading, highlights, and other detailed effects, we'll create depth and realism, delivering a rugged and experienced-looking Wolverine. For the brown leather boots, I'll create a worn-out effect to make them look like they've been through countless battles. course, the metal claws. I'll apply a metallic sheen and add a few scratches to make the claws look razor sharp and even deadlier. And now, after all that work, it is finally done. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's check out the final result. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to suggest which character you'd like to see me work on next. If you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications on future videos. Goodbye, and see you in the next one.